Yes, brother, I'm outside. What about you?
Yeah, I'm in the office right now, and it was my lunch break, so I decided to chat with you because you are quite interesting person.
Yes, brother. Yes, brother. No, now you are in a busy schedule. You called me. Really very happy about it. And you
Yes,
are a
it's
busy
because
person. Okay,
yes,
brother.
it's because I
Tell me.
no, no, it's because I committed to you that I will be having a chat today. So I took some time out of my schedule because it was my walking time. I usually walk at this time in the afternoon, and so I saw that I should be talking to you. It's a good thing.
Yes, brother. No, what's your project is going on? That no, already you told that you are making one
App.
application. Can you
Yes.
tell about?
Yes, see, what happens is that all over the world there are people who do not have a particular shop, brick and mortar shop. So there's a problem for them to establish a reliable identity, and that identity can be provided to them online.
Okay.
How this can be done is that these vendors are very small vendors and they are always on the move. They
Okay.
are, yes, they are on the move with their, small vehicles or some, small other vehicles, bicycles or something like that. So if you provide them a location access so that people nearby are having their access whenever they
Okay.
visit near a society, the people will be able to say, okay, the vegetable vendors is near my society, I can just stop him and get some vegetables. Or some other vendors, fruit vendors is passing by, or some you know milk vendor or somebody is passing by, so I can avail the local services there. So that is what the app is, and the designing part has been completed and the programming part is going on. This app will be launched within like a month or so. So this is what my app is about.
Okay. We will expect in August your
Yeah,
application.
it will be live. It will be live very soon.
Okay, brother. Okay, brother. Is there any special thing available? But you are telling that we can make the in Google Map we can reach the place. What's the difference between your application and Google Map?
Yes, actually, I did not do a lot of research, but yes, there is something. You know, Google Maps also provide real-time location. If you want to share the location, then that is also available to them.
Yes.
But the main challenge is that people are not having smartphones. These vendors are very small; they don't have smartphones. So there is a major challenge to this one. I don't know how it will be overcome. Let's say in the coming years, if they have some smartphones, then they will be able to get the this app and install them. That is what my plan is. But I just want to give them a real identity.
Okay, okay, brother. It is very helpful for all the people, but we can identify the place. And actually, if you go to that market, it will be very useful to each and every people.
Yes, yes, to each and everybody, it will be very useful.
Okay, brother. Okay, brother. Apart from this application, are you making any other application? No.
No, currently I'm not making any other application. I'm just working on this and talking to people. See, unless and until I talk to people, I'll not be having many more ideas because I'm having this idea. I had a word with many people, and if I have a lot of people putting into ideas, then the app will be much better in the coming time. So
Yes,
Google
yes.
had made actually there are some apps like Happen is there, and there are some Life 360 degree and some other apps are similar. They are very similar apps like location tracking for small vendors and all. So there are similar apps, but we need to figure out how to do efficient marketing and how to position that app into the market. That is what we'll figure it out.
Brother, actually, where are you belonging to? Are you belonging to?
Yeah, I'm in Chandigarh right now.
Oh, Chandigarh. Can you explain about your place? What kind of the tourist place you have? if I visit Chandigarh, how many places available to visit? Can you explain about it? Because of no, Chandigarh is the
Yes.
really very famous. You know that Punjab and Haryana, the both states are very prosperous state because of no Punjab name is that no Panch River is there. There are Panch River. The each and every place is no versatile and some fertile land we can see. Wherever see that Punjab and Haryana, some paddy is growing, some wheat is growing, and sugarcane is growing, and like it. So that prosperous place, that Haryana and Punjab, that India's most natural and main source of the agriculture is in my concern that Punjab is the best place for agriculture land. Am I right, brother? Can you explain about it?
See, there are a lot of theories behind this. First is the availability of water. So Punjab is having 5 rivers: Satluj, Bias, Chenab, Jhelum, and Ravi. So these 5 rivers are having abundance of water. So
Okay.
paddy and wheat can be, and any crop can be provided with water. There are a lot of irrigation facilities available here.
Yes, yes, yes.
Haryana is also having many rivers, and because of this reason, the main reason is water availability. That is the main reason. Then second is the soil here is also fertile. I mean, you will be able to grow a lot of crops here. Uh, the availability, since the availability of water is there, so rice can be grown very easily. And since when rice is grown, the quality of rice is very good. And this rice that is grown here in the fields of Haryana and Punjab is being exported to the Western countries and the Saudi countries. So that is the main reason why people are prosperous here, because product is being exported out to foreign countries, and they're having rich income with this. Uh, the rice of Punjab and Haryana will be costlier because it is tastier. It is rich in it is rich in taste. It is aromatic. While if you have rice from other places, they will not be that much aromatic and rich. So that is the main reason what I feel. How about
Yes,
your
brother.
place?
That's why soil condition and water facilities is much better than when we compare with that Punjab. Punjab has some natural resources like water
Yes.
facilities, Panch River, and soil is also very suitable for agriculture. That wherever we go, we can see some wheat product. Wheat is also
Yes,
available.
wheat is also available, and here they are having a lot of modern facilities, like tractors are available. They
Okay.
had a lot of water, so here the farmers are having an edge that they can grow whatever they can, since and also industries are flourishing here because the availability is the same. Water is a main resource in any industry. If you talk about the quality of the wheat that is there, the best wheat is of MP and Maharashtra region, because that is the black soil, and in black soil that is rich in humus and nutrients, and anything that is grown on the black soil is way more nutritious, way more tastier than anything else. So you must have heard about sharbati gehu of sharbati wheat of MP. That is the best wheat quality which is grown in MP region. uh, Cotton was grown earlier in MP region, but now because of some water reasons, MP did not have that much of water, so cotton is now not being grown in MP. There are many textile mills that have been shut down because of water. So if you turn on the history pages, then there will be a lot of textile industries that have been shut down in Indore. And now all the clothes and all the market is being taken care from Mumbai. So traders here purchase things from Mumbai and do these things. Yeah. So that is what is going on currently in the MP region now.
Yes, brother, you are telling almost right that black soil, which is suitable to all cotton. Actually, that cottonopoly in we can say that Maharashtra is a cottonopoly city because
Yes.
of that cotton oriented industries available in Maharashtra. That's why we
Hmm.
called that cottonopoly city is in that Maharashtra, and also that black soil, which is very suitable for all cotton. It's available in Maharashtra and some of the Madhya Pradesh and also Haryana. That places is having
Yes.
such a kind of geographical oriented. We can see such a black soil, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. We can see some of the places. And normally,
Yes.
Maharashtra is the cottonopoly city because of the cotton industry is available in Maharashtra only. But some of the person they may tell that Gujarat is also that produced by cotton. Gujarat, no.
Yeah, Gujarat. There are some areas in every state where, in the proximity of a river flowing, there are some fertile areas everywhere.
Yeah.
If you talk about, the most uh, densely populated places in the world, so the Gangetic Plains are the most densely populated. The areas of UP, Bihar, West Bengal, these are the most densely populated areas in the world, uh, actually. And things are also, production is also quite a lot in paddy is grown there, and uh, UP is also, ahead in sugarcane production and all. So I think your video just stopped. Okay, now you're there. So these are the things, every state is having different story altogether. So if you're talking about this cotton production, so there are some places where the favorable weather conditions and the willingness of the government and people and economic condition of the land and the area, that affects a lot in helping out the local people.
Oh yes,
Yes.
brother. Every state has certain fertile land, certain fertile. Like actually that while we consider about the all state, the Punjab and Haryana, the both state are having much fertile for us.
Yes, Punjab and Haryana are certainly, because they had an edge in the past, so now they are having an edge even today. So it was the past, and everybody here in Punjab, half of the Punjab is living in Canada. Most of the Punjabis are living in the Western countries, the Canada, US, Europe, and all other countries. So that is the other reason why they are prosperous. And the property rates here are so high. Uh, the land rates are very high here in Haryana region. You compare it with any other state.
Actually, okay, brother. No, that no. This is a nice conversation. I feel very happy because of I have
Yes.
information from you that Punjab,
Yes.
Haryana, and that fertile land. Each and every. This is a no. I think it's a very helpful conversation. It's a useful conversation, both of us.
Yes. Yes.
Brother, no, thank you so much. No, I would like to leave
Thanks
from
a
you.
lot.
We can make
Okay. Okay.
conversation
Bye.
next day.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
bye.
Bye.